I'm just scared at the moment. I've always had very long hair, and they were really good. When I started highlighting my hair, just damaged it quite a lot. And I think I'm 100% grey. I've been coloring since I was in my 20s, every 3 weeks.
Every 3 weeks. Do you know the
Yes.
number that you use
I've started using 6 and 7 to mix together.
yourself or
I do it myself.
Yes, you do have, I would say, 85% or more percentage of gray,
Yeah.
and it travels all the way to the back. Well, it seems like you've been coloring the hair, then after a while it feels dark, then you don't like it.
Yes.
Then you go to break the darkness, then you highlight it. But colored hair, that's really strong because of the build-up pigmentation.
Yes.
So it doesn't lift well, then it turns orange, so they leave it longer. When they leave it longer, you end up with this condition.
Yes.
Because I see that this is a bit ashier. Do you
Yeah.
ask for ashier finishing?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason. Whenever you have a colored hair, the minute you ask the stylist that you want to ashier, means we are forced to go lighter than what we should be.
Okay.
Because the hair will go through levels of lightening.
Okay.
And it hit the orange, then light orange, then dark yellow, and light yellow. The only way to get you to an ashier tone is to shift you to the lightest yellow possible. Then from there, they can bring you back to an ashier tone.
Right.
Even if the finishing color is not light, but they have to still take you light.
Okay.
Which means 6-7 shades lighter than that.
Okay.
Now we're in a position where your hair already half been damaged and the top is dark.
Yes.
The best solution that I would suggest, because I don't want to be adding all this damage to the top.
Okay.
I'm going to still be forced to lighten the top to give you great blending. So you start coloring with level 8.
Okay.
But what we can do, we can focus on the surface.
Okay.
Means I'm going to need to lighten all this part in the top.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then lighten the front. So everything inside will still be dark.
Okay.
But it's the safest option for now.
Right. Will the tone suit my skin color?
It will. It's not as deep as this. The thing is, when people they used to dark around their face and they go light, they will feel it's a little bit washed out.
Okay.
But there's not much you could do here.
Right.
Otherwise, you're stuck with this. And
Yeah.
this is gonna get even worse because the line is too strong.
Yeah.
You color it today, then after 10 days it shows, but because it's too soon, you wait for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Around the front is black already. The top is slightly lighter, but here it's already black.
Yeah. I'm losing a lot of hair. I have breakage, but I used to have this is a quarter of what I had. I had a lot of hair. It was unreal. And now, because I'm losing it, I don't know whether it's to do with the age. Hormonal, yeah.
Changing. Do you have oily roots?
I get it after 2 days. If I don't wash it every other day, it goes very oily.
Okay. I think you might have a combination of both. Because usually when I see a texture like this,
Yeah.
the breakage is non-stop. Now I'm putting my hand and there is hair on the floor.
Yeah.
So it might be a combination of a bit of hair fall. It could be change in the hormone. It could be the oily roots because build-up of oily roots it causes hair fall, combined with a good breakage.
Right. How can I stop this breakage?
We'll treat this so it stop breaking. That's no problem.
Okay.
Then I will give you something to detox your skin
All right.
so that we get rid of the oily roots as much as we can. And the rest you have to check with your hormonal doctor and see if there's any lack of vitamins or I don't know if there's anything missing.
Okay.
I can take care of the external
Yes.
things and you take care of the internal things.
Okay. Thank you.
I will try my best to deliver the best
Thank you.
results.
Thank
Okay?
you.
I need you to be flexible on ashier tones.
I'll let you do whatever you think is best.
The more ashier you want,
Yeah.
the higher bleach and the lighter I have to go.
I don't want my hair to be damaged more than what they are.
Okay. So let's be flexible with the ashier tones.
Okay.
So when I'm working comfortable.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
And warm tones, they will look good on you as well. So you
Okay.
don't need to worry.
Okay.
Okay. If it didn't turn out warm, it might turn out more neutral, which is good too.
Okay.
Okay. This is the plan. I'm gonna focus on lightening the top and around the hairline.
Yeah.
I will finish, then I will treat the hair.
Okay.
Treating the hair will fix two problems. Will strip out the color from the 85% that I haven't touched with the bleach. So even if the back I haven't bleached it, but the treatment will strip out some of it. Then the most damaged part that's been building up for years, I will soften it so the hair gets back healthy and brand new.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Then we finish, then we come back with an ashier tone, and I will evaluate if I will be able to color your roots today or not.
Okay.
I will give you the breakdown of the price, then accordingly we can start.
All right.
Yeah. So your family were shocked?
They were, because I've never gone that light.
I mean, this is a big change.
Yeah.
The way how it was on the top and how damage was on the end, this is a big change. I mean, it's going to be shocking for you, for your husband, for everyone. This is not just a normal transformation.
Yeah.
And what I like about it, that even with all that darker colors that you had on the top, we managed to get you a really nice ashier finishing. So all the effect of orange is gone. I mean, this is your second toner today. You came 2 days ago. Then it was too late because it took too much time. Then you came back today for the second toner.
Yes.
But the color in general is just the combination, how elegant it looks, and the health. I mean, with all that lightness that we've done, the texture and the health of the hair.
It's much better.
Yeah. And you said you feel like it's younger than you?
Yes, my son said it's taken years off my age.
Good, that's a good sign. And your daughter, why she didn't like it?
She didn't like it.
Yeah, why she didn't like it?
Because she has if you can see it, she's quite dark.
Quite dark.
She likes dark hair.
Okay.
I like light hair.
She doesn't see that you have 100% gray hair?
She does know.
Okay,
she does
so
know. I explained it.
Well, I don't think she's thinking about that problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, my advice to you, don't listen to your daughter. This is going to be first of all, it's much younger on your skin.
Yeah.
It's much easier to maintain.
Yeah.
And you will not need from now on highlight like how we used to do before.
Okay.
Because the new formula, when you color the roots, everything will start looking closer to this shade.
Yes.
So you will not need to go dark, then go light, how you used to do before.
Yeah.
So the texture of the hair will improve over time. At the top, I went really, remember how long this was?
Yeah.
This is where all the way down to there.
Yeah.
I removed them all. So your hair should feel much healthier too. I mean, just putting your hand through. Okay, feel the texture.
Yeah, it's much softer. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, look at the dimension in the color.
I love
This
it.
is like a luxury color, not just going from darker roots. This is like the finishing was very perfect here. Usually I don't compliment my work a lot, but sometimes I have to. Look down, please. Like the distribution of the lightness within the dark, the finishing of the color, even the way how it transits toward your roots, it's beautiful here. I'm just gonna have a look at look slightly down, please. Yeah, with the gray. You're gonna love when the gray comes out. Down, down, down. Beautiful.
Normally it's like a white stripe.
Yes.
With the dark hair, it's
You're gonna still have a white stripe coming out,
Yeah.
but not visible like how it was before.
yeah.
I promise you. Because nothing next to white with the percentage of gray that you have.
Yeah.
Head back, please. Yeah. That's it. Looks stunning on you. We gave you last time the color, or not
Yes.
yet? Okay.
Yeah.
You stick to that color.
will.
Only roots from now on. No more lightening.
Okay.
And you try to stretch out the touch-ups as much as you can.
Okay.
If you can wait for 7-8 weeks, that would be even better.
Okay. Yeah.
The gray coverage will be less than what you used to see. So the color will be lighter and the gray coverage will be less.
Yeah.
But that's going to be the perfect way to have more better transition and gray blending. All right? You look
Thank you.
amazing. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah.